In this video, I will show you how to transfer your Samsung Calendar to a new phone or tablet. To begin, ensure that you are using a Google account to sync your Samsung Calendar. Open the Samsung Calendar app on your old device and tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Google section and check if at least one of your Google accounts is selected. If it is checked, this means your calendar events are already syncing with Google Calendar. To verify this, open Google Chrome and search for Google Calendar. Tap on the first result, then tap on Desktop option at the bottom of your screen. Once the Google Calendar page loads, check if your events from Samsung Calendar are visible here. If they are, your events are already backed up to Google Calendar and can be accessed from any device. Now, move to your new phone or tablet and log in using the same Google account. Open the Samsung Calendar app, tap the menu icon and scroll down to ensure your Google account is enabled. If you don't see your events right away, tap Sync Now to refresh your calendar data. After a few moments, your events should appear, successfully transferring your Samsung Calendar to the new device.